What up, guys? It's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, whatever you call it. I'ma answer. Well, you know what I mean. But other than that, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. I had a lot of feedback from my last video, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with the progression. So yes, I do look busted. Yes, I do look crusted. Crusted is not a word, but it is. But the sense of way I'm using it, it doesn't go together, but we're gonna keep it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick get ready with me while I answer the Microloc Tag questions, so you guys can get familiar with why I chose it. And let's get started. All right, so to answer this question, my locks were completely installed October 1st, 2020. So October 1st, 2020, my locks were completely installed, and I am currently 4 months micro-locked in. I do have a video of the installation. Well, not the installation itself, but a background story of how long it took me. I'll go ahead and tag that down below. This is crazy. I had 3 sets of locks before. I had traditional locks. I still have one of the traditional locks. And then I had braid locks. And then I took them out because I seen how my friend's hair looked with their interlocked Microlocs. So I took them out, and then this is basically the last and final locks set that I'm having. It's 11/11, guys. Make a wish. Why? I guess, I don't know. I could say, I'm gonna be honest, I hate doing my hair. I'm tender-headed, so I really hate doing my hair. If anybody is tender-headed, this is the way to go. And locks are a saver. And I'm gonna say that it took us, well, it took all of us. We were all doing research, because this is a trio type shindig. So we were all doing research, and the research that we were doing, it took us a good, I think I'm not gonna say 3 months. I could say about 2.5 months of us doing our research on the sizing, the grids, and we watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos. And like I said, I do have a story. It's down below, so you can see how long it took to actually install the Microlocs. But I could say about 2.5 months of us doing our research, wanting to install the locks and all that good stuff. The fears that I had with, I guess, Microlocs is they say the longer your hair gets, the thinner it gets, and all that good stuff. And for me, my problematic area was my edges, my baby hairs. The perimeter part of the forehead was one of the areas that I've had difficult time with. So I was kind of terrified of oh my god, what if one of them fall out? How am I gonna fix it? But with practice of me messing up the front part, or one of them coming out, or slippage, it wasn't that bad. It's not that bad. So if anybody's telling you, oh my god, don't get it, it's really bad, XYZ, I mean, to each his own. Do your own research. Everyone's hair is different. I don't really have an answer for this question, to be honest, because we did all our research on YouTube, and YouTube has a plethora of information. If you want, I can create another video. That's up to you guys. Just let me know of who we did the researches on, and from then on, I mean, I could do that. I don't mind. I just want to know if you don't mind me, doing it for you. So help me help you out. Help me help you. I'll help you help me help you out. Whatever the shindig goes, I'ma help you if you ask for it. If you want me to. Only if you want to. I have noticed changes. Indeed, yes. Wake up on A1, you know, get up out the bed, take the bonnet off, spray your hair, walk out the door, and people ask questions. And it's fun to answer the questions. It's like, damn, yeah, Afro hair can do this. And especially women. Women be like, oh my God. Especially one lady, she was like, oh, how do you go through the ugly stage? And I was like, there is no ugly stage. But if you're wondering, this is it. Because my hair is short versus, you know, some people in their journey from years ago. So when I'm like, yeah, this is like, you know, the ugly stage, they be like, oh, okay, I could do that. I'm like, yes, sis, you're gonna look like a plucked chicken, but in a few months, you're gonna look nice. So if you haven't seen my previous video, well, my last video, I had counted how many locks I have. I will link that down below of me counting them. And I have 635 locks. The only products that I use in my hair are my products, my natural hair products. It's called North. And I'm about to use some right now. Wow, look at my little braids. The one I'm gonna use today is called Evanesque, and it's like a hair pomade. It's an anti-frizz moisturizer, and it looks like that. A little bit goes a long way. The ingredients are listed here. I don't know if you could see. It's kind of blurry. It's like Bible scriptures, but I use this and other products in my line too. I use Rapunzel, I use Angel Wings, and my shampoo, which is Black Osha. The link for all of those will be down below. The time I would wear my hair down or to the side. I don't do any updos because I feel like it don't go good with my hair yet. I mostly do braid out, twist outs, like braid out / twist out, like what I have now. Like what I have now is a braid out / twist out, where I braid my hair and just twist the bottom, because it's hard for me to take out the ends when it's braided all the way down. It was always an issue for me. And then, you know, I don't want to be breaking my ends while I take out, you know, my hair. So I usually do this style, and basically, you know, take half of my hair, or not half, like a quarter of my hair, and just push it back and pin it. I retie my hair every 4 to 6 weeks because my hair grows really fast. I try not to go to 7 weeks because my hair starts to marry each other towards the root, and it's very frustrating when, you know, you can't really see what the back of your head looks like, so you have to go into the mirror and do all these angles and stuff. And so yeah, I try not to push 7 weeks. I remember I went 9 weeks, and that was a devastation. That was hell on earth. Like I'm never gonna do that again. Never, ever, 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 ever doing that again. Yeah, so 4 to 6 weeks is when I actually do a retying on my hair. I wash my hair about a week, every week, if not every 10 to 11 days. Your scalp will notify you when you need to do your hair, or wash your hair, I should say. Whenever you need to wash your hair, your scalp will notify you. Like if you feel like your scalp is itchy and you're like, oh no, it's a normal situation. No, sis, just go wash your hair. Like, go ahead. I know braiding and banding isn't the best right now, but guess what? You gotta do what you gotta do in order for you to get your hair cleaned, okay? But, yep, I don't wash my hair that often. I try not to, but when the scalp says it needs a cleaning, gotta get it done. Thank you guys so much for staying this long in the video. There are more questions, but I'm gonna have to do a part 2 of the video. And this is what the outcome of my hair looks like. I can't believe It's so fluffy. I love it. If you want me to do a tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, what I used on my edges is a Softy Extra Hold as a protein styling gel. It's the black one. I tried using the clear one. It doesn't work for me, so I use this one. Again, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you can see whenever I post a new video. For the second part of the video, I think I'm going to have to ask one of my friends to join me and see what goes on in that video. Alrighty, stay tuned. I'll see you on the next clip. Bye. Hey. Don't be shy. I see you. Go ahead. Follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram. What you waiting for, boo?